Becoming a millionaire is an ambitious goal that requires a combination of various factors, including hard work, determination, and strategic approach. While there is no guaranteed formula for achieving millionaire status, here are 20 steps that many millionaires have used to put them the millionaire status. 1. Set ambitious goals. Define your goals and aspirations clearly. Aim high and set ambitious targets for yourself. This will provide you with a sense of purpose and direction. 2. Develop a unique value proposition. Identify your strengths, skills, and passions. Find a niche or area where you can provide exceptional value or solve a significant problem. Differentiate yourself from the competition by offering something unique. 3. Continuously study and improve yourself. Invest in your personal and professional development. Acquire knowledge and skills through education, training, mentorship, and self-study. Stay updated on industry trends and developments. 4. Work hard and persist. Success rarely comes overnight. Be prepared to work tirelessly and persevere in the face of challenges and setbacks. Develop a strong work ethic and maintain a determined mindset. 5. Build a network. Surround yourself with motivated and successful individuals. Network with people who can offer guidance, support, and opportunities. Collaborate, learn from others, and build mutually beneficial relationships. 6. Identify lucrative opportunities. Keep an eye out for emerging trends, market gaps, and potential investment opportunities. Be open to taking calculated risks and seizing opportunities that align with your goals. 7. Develop financial intelligence. Gain a solid understanding of finance and investments. Learn about different asset classes, investment strategies, and risk management. Make informed decisions and seek professional advice when necessary. 8. Build a strong team. Surround yourself with talented individuals who complement your skills and compensate for your weaknesses. Delegate tasks effectively and empower your team members to contribute to your vision. 9. Focus on innovation and adaptation. Embrace innovation and stay ahead of the curve. Continuously seek ways to improve, adapt to changing market dynamics, and anticipate future trends. 10. Give back and create value. Use your wealth and influence to make a positive impact. Philanthropy and giving back to society can not only benefit others, but also enhance your reputation and sense of fulfillment. 11. Embrace entrepreneurship. Consider starting your own business or pursuing entrepreneurial ventures. Starting a successful company can offer significant growth potential and wealth creation opportunities. However, entrepreneurship also comes with risks, so it's important to conduct thorough market research, develop a robust business plan, and be prepared for the challenges that come with building and scaling a business. 12. Seek mentorship. Find successful individuals who have achieved financial success and seek their mentorship. Mentors can provide guidance, share their experiences, and offer valuable insights that can accelerate your learning and growth. 13. Invest wisely. Develop a sound investment strategy and diversify your portfolio. Explore various investment vehicles such as stocks, real estate, mutual funds, or venture capital. It's crucial to conduct thorough research, understand the risks involved, and make informed investment decisions. 14. Develop financial discipline. Practice good financial habits by budgeting, saving, and controlling expenses. Avoid excessive debt and manage your personal finances responsibly. Financial discipline is essential for building wealth over the long term. 15. Think long-term. Becoming a billionaire typically requires a long-term perspective. Focus on sustainable growth and building enduring value, rather than seeking quick wins. Patience and persistence are key qualities to cultivate. 16. Leverage technology and innovation. Embrace technological advancements and explore opportunities in rapidly evolving industries. Disruption and innovation often create new avenues for wealth creation. Stay informed about emerging technologies and their potential impact on industries and markets. 17. Be resilient. Expect setbacks and failures along the way. Learn from these experiences, adapt, and keep moving forward. Resilience and the ability to bounce back from challenges are crucial for long-term success. 18. Cultivate a growth mindset. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning and improvement. Be open to new ideas, seek feedback, and be willing to adapt and evolve. A growth mindset enables you to stay agile and seize opportunities as they arise. 19. Stay focused and persistent. Building substantial wealth takes time and effort. Stay focused on your goals, remain persistent, and consistently work towards them. Be prepared to make sacrifices and stay committed to your vision. 20. Balance financial goals with personal fulfillment. While financial success is important, it's essential to find a balance between wealth accumulation and personal fulfillment. Define what success means to you beyond monetary achievements and strive for a well-rounded and fulfilling life. Remember, the path to becoming a billionaire is challenging and requires a combination of factors, including the 20 strategies shared in this video. It's important to approach this journey with a growth mindset, continuous learning, and focus on creating value for others. I believe you will become what you have been aspiring to be. Wishing you the best, and thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to alert you when we drop a new video. You can also watch more interesting videos on our channel. Thank you.